Hello everyone, this is Larry Warden and welcome to my channel. I have several aviation videos from my long flying career in Canada and the United States. I do many product reviews and tutorials, including the GoPro camera and many Apple products. I have barbecuing tips for you, including our famous Memphis style ribs. I will show you what retirement life is like in our Southwest Florida community of Fort Myers. You will meet my 4-year-old granddaughter Yenna, and we will see the world through her eyes. I am an avid biker, and I will take you on many scenic trails throughout the Ottawa Valley. I also do many community videos, such as the effect of the pandemic on our long-term care homes. I'd also like you to meet Will, my neighbor's handicapped dog. If any of these topics are of interest to you, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and you will be notified of my new videos which I post weekly.